Hello, Avshay Mashaka. I feel like I need to say this, man, because I was checking Twitter and when I man look at Twitter and Facebook really because of a video. I made a video about it and I've said what I wanted to say. But then it's very interesting, Kuri. But what are attacking Man Egi? They support Ntwana Maraj. They are big supporters of Ntwana Maraj, and they find it easy to attack Man Egi when she said what she said, because Ntwana Maraj has once said almost all the things that she said there. My question is why? Why are people all of a sudden getting offended by something like that, you know? Is it because she's a woman, you know? And it's so interesting that most of the people that are finding offense from what she said are basically, most of them are women. So, are we trying to say that, is this a gender attack, you know, on her just because she's a woman? Then it means she doesn't have a voice. She can't say anything, you know. Because basically, if you look at our society, is driven by patriarchy. Our society is driven by patriarchy. So, patriarchy says women are supposed to sit at the back seat and belong at the back seat, belong at the kitchen. They don't have a voice, you know. Only men have a voice. Why do you support Maraj and also... but at the same time, you don't support Man Egi? Like, it's very funny. It's very fascinating. Because for me, I just look at it and I think it's gender. It's the fact that she's a woman and people are threatened by a woman who shows power and masculine character, boldness. You know, people are threatened by that. Our society, which is led by patriarchy, is not accustomed to a woman people don't like that when a woman is out there saying all these things, you know, because the same people that are attacking her, they support Ntwana Maraji, they support Chavi CMC, you know. They can't find the comedy in it. They don't want to learn anything from the truth she's speaking, you know. So I just look at it and think, I don't think people don't like what she said. I feel like people just don't like her for the fact that it's a woman saying it. It's supposed to be said by a man, you know, patriarchy. Because our society is patriarchy, is patriarchal, you know. So that's what I wanted to say, Guri. The attacks that Man Egi is suffering has nothing to do with what she said, but it has everything to do with gender bias. It has everything to do with the fact that she's a woman. And it's very unfortunate because most of the people that are attacking her are women. And we are going into Women's Month. What does that say about our society, you know? What does it say about us? Very, very fascinating. Legaremina, I guess Dors, salute. Mengatititel.